Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best electric can opener that will change the way you handle your kitchen tasks. This device combines convenience, power, and style all in one. Let's get started. Product features: effortless one-touch operation. Say goodbye to twisting and turning. With its one-touch operation, the Bella 17231 makes opening cans incredibly easy. Just press a button and it cuts the lid automatically. Ideal for seniors or anyone with limited hand mobility. So simple, so efficient. Powerful motor for all can sizes. Whether it's a small tuna can or a big jar of tomatoes, this 60-watt motor handles it with ease. The stainless steel blade ensures a clean, quick cut every time. No more struggling with stubborn lids. This opener powers through without breaking a sweat. Convenient cord storage. Tired of tangled cords? The Bella 17231 comes with hidden cord storage, keeping your kitchen countertop neat and clutter-free. When you're done, simply tuck the cord into the base for a clean, organized look. Perfect for small kitchens. Easy-to-clean design. The removable cutting lever makes cleaning a breeze. Just pop it off and rinse. The magnetic lid holder catches the lid before it falls in, so there's no mess. This feature saves time and hassle, because kitchen tools should make life easier, not messier. Stylish and customizable look. Style meets function. Available in multiple colors, the Bella 17231 isn't just a tool, it's a kitchen accessory. Whether you want sleek black or a splash of vibrant color, this can opener fits your kitchen vibe. It's even a thoughtful gift for new homeowners. Pros: simple, one-touch operation. Handles cans of all sizes. Easy to clean parts. Hidden cord storage. Stylish color options for any kitchen. Cons: needs power outlet, not cordless. Might not fit extremely oversized cans. Blade needs periodic cleaning for best results. Final thoughts: if you're looking for a hassle-free, stylish, and efficient way to open cans, the Bella 17231 electric can opener is a top-tier choice. It brings both performance and design into your kitchen, making it a must-have gadget for daily cooking ease. Tired of struggling with manual openers? This is the upgrade your kitchen needs. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more amazing kitchen gadget tips.